Herbert Hoover, the field is yours in Class C competition.
How has your summer been? I missed you guys.
Hey, Sailor, what's that?
You know, my mom gave me this book, but I'm pretty sure it's a children's book.
Well, what's it about?
You know, I'm not too sure. Let's read it and find out. Congratulations, today is your day. You're off to great places, you're off and away.
You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the guy who decide where to go.
Up and down the streets, look over them with care. About some will say, I don't choose to go there. But full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you're too smart to go down any not so good street. And you may not find any you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town. You'll be on your way up, you'll be seeing great sights, you'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights. You won't lag behind because you'll have the speed. You'll pass the whole gang and you'll soon take the lead. Wherever you fly, you'll be best of the best. Wherever you go, you will top all the rest.
On and on you will hike, and I know you will hike far, and face up to your problems, whatever they are. You will get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go. So be sure when you step with care and great tact, and remember that life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft, and never mix up your right foot with your left. So be your name, Buxom or Bixby or Bray or Mordecai, Ali, Van Allen, O'Shea.
You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. Oh, the places you'll go.